Hey there, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. So in my last video, I saw a couple of comments regarding my desk and desk organization. So anyway, I was planning to reorganize my desk because there was so much stuff on it that I did not really have a lot of place to do anything. So that's why I reorganized my desk and I filmed it so that I can share it with you guys. Now the thing is, I didn't do anything fancy or extraordinary to my desk. So yes, if you have come to this video after watching all those beautiful desk videos, then I think you will be disappointed because this is going to be a very practical and a very simple desk organization video. But I feel you can relate with this video. I think this video can be very helpful because it will be very practical and something that you can also do. And there are some DIY items in this one. So I think overall this video will be really helpful for you. And I will make sure to link down everything that I can, like when it comes to stationery. I will definitely give the link of all those items in the description box, so definitely check the description box if you want to buy anything. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. But before that, I just want to say that if you like this video and if you like my content in general and if you haven't subscribed yet, then definitely consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. Your support means really a lot to me, and we are so close to 10,000 subscribers. I really want to get there very soon. So if you like my content, then you can definitely support me. Alright, so this is my desk area. Now as you can see, this is not really a regular desk. This is just a very ancient table that we had, so I'm making use of it. And if you also have a table like this, you can use it. Now I have fixed this board above this desk because it really adds to the entire vibe of the place. Next, I had this empty cardboard box that I painted and turned into an organizer in which I can keep all my notebooks, journals and diaries. Now, I know that this looks a little childish and I could have done a better job when it comes to painting it, but it works and it's functional, so I think that matters. So you can also like make something like this for yourself if you don't want to spend a lot of money on an organizer, because right now I don't want to spend on an organizer. So yeah, this is something that you can also do. Next, I wanted to add some painting or artwork to this place, so I created this painting and it came out well. And then I am a huge watermelon lover and I wanted anything that is related to watermelon, so I thought of painting one and it looks pretty good. And the thing is, the colors really pop and they look wonderful. I know it's not perfect, but it's fine, it looks good. And then in the corner I have kept all the pens, neon pens, brush pens, and these two mugs in which I keep my pens. And this is the new pen stand. This pen stand is wonderful. And then this memo pad case, and then some flags and this little teddy bear. Now, if you watch my videos, then you would know that I had a lot of books kept on this desk before, but I have shifted all of them to my bookshelf now, and I'm just going to keep these 4 books here. And these books look so pretty, and I also happen to love these books a lot. Next, I will place my Buddha statue over this flower thing that came out of a garland. And this Buddha statue is so beautiful, it just adds this feeling of zen. And then I've kept my highlighters over here, and these highlighters kind of match with the color of the books, so it just adds to the whole vibe and it looks so minimal and pretty. So definitely let me know in the comments, how do you like this entire setup. I know it's very simple, I haven't really done much, but yeah, it just looks good. And this organizer is very functional. I can now just get hold of the book and notebook that I want from this one, and I can keep my these little diaries over here because I happen to lose them all the time. And definitely let me know if you have got any ideas from this one. I think this video is very practical, that's what I feel, because usually in Indian middle class households we don't have like very fancy beautiful rooms, you know, aesthetic ones, and we don't have those white IKEA furnitures, but we definitely have a lot of things that we can make beautiful, and we should not take that for granted. Whatever we have, we should try to beautify that only. And that's completely my thought. Let me know what you feel about this. So I really hope that you all enjoyed watching this video and found it valuable. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And I'm also on Instagram by the name book_junction. You can follow me there. I keep posting stuff there as well. And definitely hit the bell icon so you are notified with all the further updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.